And be cool, so we're gonna jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from AsteriaHair. It is their Kinky Straight Human Hair Headband Wig, 22 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Lotta Body Sleek Me hair lotion, and I'm gonna go ahead and press out the hair on a 420. It is textured, of course, because it is kinky straight, so all of the texture is not gonna come out, and that's what I love about it, even with it being straightened. So I'm just doing the chase method, and the flat iron did not burn the hair, so this is some very good quality hair, you guys. Some of the footage of me laying down my edges kind of got messed up, but I went in with some edge booster on my hairline first, and then I went in with their Hideout to like make my hairline pop a lot more with the black color. And then I'm taking this AsteriaHair edgy wrap and laying down my edges. Love their little edgy wraps. It's optional, but I decided to go ahead and straighten my sideburns or whatever, and I'm just gonna go ahead and curl them so I can do the little swoops on the side. I did apply some heat protectant, so yeah, this is the closest y'all will probably ever see me straighten my hair, because y'all know I don't straighten my hair, but I really like my sideburns to be laid and it be looking so cute. I don't do this often because you don't want to heat damage your hairline, but I only did it on my sideburns, and I'm applying some edge control to like lay it down to get that perfect swoop. And I'm using my red tail comb as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the unit and get it situated on my head. And you know, you just do the velcro at the back, and it does fit pretty snug. I do love that. And I did not use the wig clips that's inside. I just put 2 closed bobby pins on the sides, and as you guys can see, the hair is full all the way to the end, and it is super flowy. Look at that luster. I didn't add any oil onto the hair, just the blowout lotion, and that was it. And look at the body. Like, yes, this is some really bomb kinky straight hair. Get into it. So yes, this is what it looks like without adding a headband, and super cute. So they did provide some headbands for me to go ahead and try out. So this is the first one that I'm gonna put on, and it looks super cute with the hair. So I decided to go ahead and do half up, half down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and gather the hair at the top and making sure that the tracks are not showing. And this hair is really easy to work with because it is textured. That's what I love. So it's easy to do like buns and stuff like that. It doesn't take too long. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and gather the hair, and we're gonna go ahead and just split it off into 2. And it turned out super cute, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. A super cute look. You don't have to wear the headband. That is definitely optional. And y'all already know I gotta go ahead and test out a bun, because I love me a top knot bun. Okay, so I just twisted the hair and then swirled it around, and then I'm just gonna pin it into place at the end. Take my petal brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair into a ponytail, and it looks really cute into a ponytail, you guys. This is what it looks like in a ponytail. It is super lightweight. It's not heavy on my head, and I was feeling myself. Okay. Hey y'all. Hey MB crew, so y'all have made it now to the end of the video, so we're going to go ahead and get into the details of this unit. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the pros and cons and how I feel about the unit. So this is Asteria's hair. I have worked with them in the past. I will link the last video that I did with them in the description box below. But this is their Kinky Straight wig. It is human hair, and I believe mine is in the... It's in 22 inches, and it is a headband wig, as you guys can see. They do offer buy now, pay later options. So make sure you guys definitely check that out in the description box if you are interested. But this wig is gorgeous. Y'all know I love kinky straight texture. My absolute favorite texture when it comes to me wearing straight hair. I prefer it to be kinky straight because it just mimics, you know, black hair when it is relaxed, or, you know, when it's relaxed or pressed out. And that's just what I like. It looks more
realistic. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and slayed and laid my baby hairs or whatever, and I did go ahead and press this unit out bone straight. Well, as straight as you can get it, obviously, because it is textured hair, so you will still see some texture in it, which I love. So I did go ahead and press it out. This hair is so soft, you guys. Like, I used a lot of body blowout on it, as you guys can see, but this hair feels so soft. Like, I really wish that y'all could feel this hair. Well, if you get you one, you will be able to feel it, but this hair is so soft. Like, this is probably like some of the softest kinky straight hair I've ever felt. I love it. Y'all know I've been loving these headband wigs. They're right up my alley. They're easy to apply, and I don't gotta be like laying down the lace and doing all of that. All I gotta do is do my own baby hairs, and it's good to go. And what I really love about this wig, out of any of the headband wigs I've ever tried, this wig looks so bomb in a ponytail. Like, I'm able to get a really nice ponytail look out of this wig, which is very hard when it comes to wigs sometimes, but this one definitely did it. This is a regular cap size, and it does fit my head. The only kind that I do have about the unit is I do not like how, and I guess it depends on if you like it or not. I don't typically use the combs, but I don't like the fact that you guys put these clips, like they have the clip-in clips in it. I don't like that. Like, I feel like just leave the wig combs in it, because I don't know, I just don't really like that. And I do wish that this unit, another thing that I wish that it did have was a adjustable strap in the back, because this does not have the adjustable strap in the back. It does fit my head, but for those, you know, I don't know, I still like the adjustable strap for security. I do have a small head, but it does not have the adjustable strap. But they do include an elastic band, and I don't like these either, because these are like, they're so tight. Like, I don't know, I don't like these elastic bands. Like, I've tried them in the past, and over time when you're wearing a wig, like, it kind of makes that area where it's laying on sensitive. So I don't like that, so I don't use them. So what I went ahead and did was just use some closed bobby pins, and what I did was just put them on the sides and one at the back where I closed the band at the headband part. So that works for me. But I really wish you guys would start adding adjustable straps at the back of your units, and just do regular wig combs. It can definitely straighten on high heat. This flat iron that I use is on a 450, and it took it, and it did not burn the hair, and it did not damage the hair or anything. So this is some really bomb hair. Okay, if it can take some high heat, it's bomb. So I'm loving it. It feels so good. I said, oh, this is about to be my go-to. It's about to be my go-to. It was just so easy to like deal with. Y'all know I normally curl my units like this, but I was like, let me switch it up and just do straight hair today. The density is 180, which is perfect for me. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's like the perfect density. Yes, AsteriaHair, get into her. Yes, you guys, I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all what I thought about the unit, and I'm going to go ahead and rate this unit. I'm going to rate it a B+. It really would get an A if it had the right combs and the elastic band. I mean, adjustable. I keep saying elastic band. I don't even like those. If it had the adjustable straps at the back, it definitely would get an A. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a B, because it is bomb. But I just would love to have some adjustable straps at the back. That would be great. But overall, I think it's bomb. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this unit. Make sure you guys check out AsteriaHair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.